Question number 1, first subdivision. Evaluate sine 18 degree by cos 72 degree. So this problem can be done in two methods. I will explain to you both the methods. This is method 1. We will also do in method 2. Just a small change in the formula, that's all. Now you know that sin theta is cos 90 minus theta and cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. So you can either replace sin or cos. In the first method I am going to replace cos, and in the second method I am going to replace sin. So in the first method we have sin 18 degree by cos 72 degree. We know that cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So then we will have cos 72 degree equal to sin 90 minus 72 degree, which is going to be sin 18 degree. Now instead of cos 72 degree we can substitute sin 18 degree. When you substitute in the equation, we are going to have sin 18 degree by sin 18 degree, which is equal to 1. Method 2, instead of changing cos, I am going to change sin using the formula. So we have the question sin 18 degree by cos 72 degree. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So the sin 18 degree can be written as cos 90 minus 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree. I have used the formula there. Directly I am applying the formula. So we have cos 72 degree divided by cos 72 degree. That is equal to 1. Question number 1, second subdivision. Evaluate tan 26 degree by cot 64 degree. Like in the previous subdivision, in this subdivision also, either we can replace tan by cot or we can replace cot by tan. So you can follow any method. I am going to replace cot by tan. You know that cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. We are going to apply this formula. So we will have tan 26 degree. Cot theta can be written as tan 90 minus theta, that is 90 minus 64 degree. So we are going to have tan 26 divided by tan 26, that is equal to 1. Third subdivision, evaluate cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. You can either replace cos by sin or sin by cos. I am going to replace sin by cos. You have sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Then the given question can be written as, we have cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. Using this formula we can write this as cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree can be written as cos 90 minus 42 degree. So we are going to have cos 48 degree minus 90 minus 42 is 48. So we are going to have cos 48 degree. Cos 48 degree minus cos 48 degree will be 0. Subdivision 4, we have to evaluate cosecant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree. You know that cosecant theta is secant 90 minus theta, secant theta is cosecant 90 minus theta. So either you can replace cosecant by secant or secant by cosecant. I am going to replace secant by cosecant. So we have secant theta is equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. This is the formula we are going to use. We have cosecant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree. That can be written as cosecant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree can be written as cosecant 90 minus 59 degree. So we are going to have cosecant 31 degree minus cosecant 31 degree, that is equal to 0.